My name is Leen Arnaout. I am a biomedical engineering student from the class of 2021, and I'm working in the lab of Professor Khalil. The goal of my research is to improve the genetic engineering toolkit that is used to genetically edit the genomes of bacteria. And the project that I'm more specifically working on is to improve the CRISPR-Cas9 system that is used to insert antibiotic resistance genes into the bacterial genomes. Antibiotic resistance is an international public health concern, so my research can help scientists who are studying antibiotic resistance because we're creating genetically traceable bacteria that scientists can use to study new antibiotics and how antibiotic resistance emerges. And one side application of my project is to also incorporate ectopic origins of replication into the bacterial genome in order to see how it can affect the cell growth profiles and the genome replication efficiency. This can help us study diseases related to aging, and also this can create more efficient bacteria that can be used by industries to produce biofuels and pharmaceuticals. One issue with working with CRISPR-Cas9 systems is that they're very inefficient. Whenever I'd run an experiment using the CRISPR-Cas9 system, it would almost always fail. And so I'd have to go over the procedure and look at each step and think about how can I optimize this step in order to get to the outcome that is desired. Oftentimes it works after you just calm down and think about it. Undergraduate research has made me become more curious about the applications of biomedical engineering outside the classroom. My thinking and research is not only limited to what I learn in class, but I also am now more eager to read research papers and apply what I learned from these papers to my own research. Some students and friends of mine that come to BU engineering think that they do not want to do research because it's a little bit too boring and systematic. But I would recommend that each student has to try research at least once. The rewarding aspect of making something someone has never done before is actually very awesome.